Today, friends, we are going to see how one can decide for himself or herself where to go for the old tax regime or where to go for the new tax regime. Whether you're a salaried person or a retired person, it is applicable for both of you. If you're deriving a salary or a pension, you can decide as part of this video. It's an illustrative, and you can decide for yourself whether to go for the old or the new. I've shared the thumb rule. The thumb rule I shared in my previous video, for which I have shared the link in the description box. You can just have a look at the thumb rule wherein I have shared what is the rule for which one can decide whether to go for the old or whether to go for the new tax regime. So in this particular video, I'm going to take up an illustration. Let me share the screen as well. So this particular Excel I've been using for my own tax computation and tax planning. So I'm glad I'm sharing it with you. So in this, I'm going to take three case studies. In the first case study, wherein I have a person A and person B having made investment of more than 2.5 lakhs. And then case study two, wherein person A has made some investment, of course, up to 2.5 lakhs and above. And then person B not having made any investments. And then a case study three, wherein both person A and B have made investment of less than 2.5 lakhs. So let us see how it matters, how your investment matters based on all these case studies. So in all these case studies, I have taken a person A who is deriving an income of 40 lakhs and person B who is deriving an income of 10 lakhs. So as you can see, person A here, he has a salary of 40 lakhs and person B's salary of 10 lakhs. Then you have person A also having other sources of income, which is rental, dividend, and interest income, which is just taken as an illustrative. And then person B not having any sources of income, other income, which is rental, dividend, or interest. And then we see how much the person A and person B invest to save their taxes. As a flat case, the standard deduction is available to all who is deriving a pension or a salary. So I have marked it in blue. So I have selected standard deduction for both person A and person B to be 50,000. So when it goes to the old tax regime or the revised new tax regime, both can avail a standard deduction of 50,000. So next, person A has made all these kind of investments. So he's staying on a rental house, so which he can avail HRA benefit of 12,000 into 12 months. It's a flat HRA benefit I consider as a part of this illustration, but however, the calculations are different. It varies based on your basic salary. Okay, for this simplistic purpose, I have taken it as the rent receipt he has claimed. So now going to section 80C, he has done investment of up to 1.5 lakhs. Up to 1.5 lakhs is what person A or person B can claim. I have kept the number same for both the person A and B. And the medical is also 25,000 for both. And then finally, you have home loan interest for both uh, coming to about 1.5 lakhs. So this is a total deduction which person A and person B, in the sense that they have made investment so that they have a feeling that they can save taxes. But let's see what person A and person B managed to actually pay as taxes in both the regimes, old and new. So this is the total tax which person A, as per the old regime, he pays 13 lakhs 79,000. And as per the new regime, he ends up paying more. By the matter of fact, it's only 2.0% more. And then for person B, you see, in the old regime, he has to pay 11,550 as per the old regime. But in the new regime, he ends up paying hefty 52,500. So obviously, person B has to go for the old tax regime because he has done sufficient investment and his income also is a bit on the lower side. So he falls into the lower tax bracket. But whereas 40 lakhs income holder, 40 lakhs income earner, for him as well, you see the old tax regime benefits, but not a significant benefit as compared to person B. It's a two marginal improvement or marginal benefit when it comes to the old tax regime. But however, if the person A whom we are talking about has a he's staying on rent and he's paying almost like say 25,000 per month. Then the whole equation again changes, and he manages to pay 5.6% more in the new tax regime. So obviously the old tax regime holds beneficial to person A. So who wouldn't like to save 5.6%? You can decide for yourself nevertheless. So then we go for the second case study wherein person A has made an investment and person B has not. So person A has made all this investment and this person B is not going to make any investment. So then we go to our total tax which he has to pay. So you can see here the old tax regime is not beneficial for person B, but the new tax regime is beneficial to person B. And person A, it doesn't matter because we kept the investment as same as per this particular case study. So next case study, we take wherein both the person A and B has made less than 2.5 lakhs of investment. So let me remove the HRA benefit for person A. Person A, remove the HRA benefit. And it's getting hot here in Mumbai. I'm almost like sweating. This is 1.5 lakhs and medical also 25,000, and home loan interest will remove. So this is less than 2.5 lakhs as deduction which he can avail because this is the amount of investment both person A and B have made. So let us see how the old and new tax regime look like. So if you see here, the new tax regime is beneficial to both. So which actually indicates that if your investment to save tax is lesser than 2.5 lakhs, then it is ideal to go for the new tax regime. Otherwise, if your investment is more than 2.5 lakhs and above 3 lakhs by the matter of fact, then it makes a very strong case to go for the old tax regime. So that was it. I wanted to share in this specific video. There are a lot of children playing in the background. So I'm sure you can hear the noise about it. But nevertheless, I hope you have liked this video, and I hope it is becoming more easy for you to decide whether to go for the old tax regime or whether to go for the new tax regime. And if you have any queries, any doubts, please feel free to drop in a note in the comment section with your email ID. Feel free to drop in your queries and I'll respond back on your email ID. And if you want this Excel sheet, please drop in a comment as well. And I will be sharing this Excel sheet over the mail across to you, free, no questions asked. See you there. I'm using this Excel sheet for myself. I made it for myself, so why not share it to you or free? Bye.